Today I will show you how to open Gmail in Google Chrome using your PC. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Once Chrome opened, I looked at the top right corner of the screen. Next to my account icon, I clicked on the Google Apps icon. A drop-down menu appeared showing different Google apps. From this list, I clicked on Gmail. Within a few seconds, Gmail opened successfully in my browser. Here I can see all the emails that I have received on my Gmail account. Next, I clicked on one email to open it and read the message. After that, I use the next option to move through a few more emails and preview them one by one. This is how you can easily open Gmail in Google Chrome and check your emails on a PC. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss my next tech guide.